Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to move an image to the back in Google Slides. It's really simple and super useful when you're layering text or shapes or multiple pictures. First, open your Google Slides presentation and go to the slide that has the image you want to adjust. Click on the image so that the blue outline appears. Now right-click on it, and from the menu, hover over Order. You'll see two important options: Send Backward and Send to Back. If you want to move it behind just one layer, choose Send Backward. If you want it behind everything, choose Send to Back. You can also do this from the top toolbar by clicking Arrange, then Order, and choosing the same options. If you want to work a little faster, Google Slides has shortcuts. Press Control plus the down bracket to send backward, or Control plus Shift plus the down bracket to send it all the way to the back. If you're working with a lot of objects, you can use the Layers or Arrange panel to see what's on top and what's underneath. Once the image is in the right layer, adjust your text or shapes so they sit cleanly above it. And that's how to move an image to the back in Google Slides. Super quick and super easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.